so excited. Oh my God, I just love how it looks. We're not going over the top. So the look we are going for today is minimal, clean, and simple. This is also my first time decorating in the dining room. It's a start. It's not fully complete, but yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, leave me some hearts down below and let's get started. This is everything I'm using to decorate today. If you keep up with the vlog channel, you've already seen some of this stuff, but this is a mix of new stuff, old stuff. I'm gonna bring it to life a little bit today. I am inspired by a picture from RH. I'll leave it on the screen, but that was my inspiration. Of course, the room will not be completely finished because I plan to add some more stuff in here, but we are just going to do a really simple decorating video. Of course, we're going to start off with some cleaning and then we will start decorating.
It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws.
So I just drilled the things in the wall. Hopefully it turns out okay. I didn't measure. I measured as much as I could, but I just hope that the pole fits. That's the only thing that I'm concerned about. Fingers crossed. All right, y'all. I did it. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh, y'all. I can't believe I did it all by myself. That was so much, y'all, but I did it all by myself. And now I'm feeling like I need some more curtain rings. But girl, we're gonna use what we got.
Love you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. Hey, you better make it work. just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws.
So I did want to give you guys a tour of everything and tell you where everything is from. If you follow me on my vlog channel, you may already know where some stuff is from, or if you've been following me for some time since I started my channel, you may already know this. Let's get into where everything is from. All right, so the table is from Ashley Furniture. We've had this table probably for about 6 years now. I would love to do something different with the seating and get new chairs. The bench, we may keep the bench, but I would like to get new chairs for the table. But I love my table. It's so sturdy, it's so nice. Everything on the video will be linked down below. The coasters are from Target. The chargers are from Target. Both plates are from a store in Germany. And the vase is Hobby Lobby, stems Hobby Lobby. These bookshelves are from my sister, and I wanna say she got them from Wayfair. She gave these to us when we moved into the house. They've been in the kids' rooms, and then I brought them down here in the dining room. I just thought they would be something different for the dining room. and I love them here. In the future, I plan to get like a buffet. These right here are from my friend Ebony. I can't remember where she got them from. Maybe Crate and Barrel, CB2, I don't know, but she gave these to me and I always put them out. This book is Made for Living. This is from Target, and then this one is from Target too. It's Kobe Bryant book. This bowl is from Target. These books, Minimalista, I think it's from Amazon, and the Magnolia table is from Target. And then this section, this is from Amazon, I think. And then this one is from TK Maxx in Germany. And then the Home for the Soul book. This one is from Amazon, I think. And the vase is also from Target. I've had this stuff for a long time. I think the bowl is one of my most recent things from Target. On this side, the top vase is from H&M Home. The Scandi Rustic, I wanna say it's probably from Amazon. Down to Earth, Amazon. And Homebody, I think that one is Target. This bowl is from Hobby Lobby. These books right here probably won't stay here for long. They just don't, I don't know. I prefer like hardback books, and these are paperback. But this one is the Home Edit. I've had that for a long time. And then this is from, I think, Home Goods, that Hip Hop Raised Me book. And then the bottom one, this is from Hobby Lobby, and that one is from Walmart. I just recently bought this one from TJ Maxx. The color is beautiful, and then the steel is probably from Amazon. I did not want to decorate the bottom because the inspiration picture that I showed y'all, it wasn't like that. So I just wanted to do the top part. It would be nice to probably put like a door or something, attach a door to the bottom. That would be really nice. And then probably paint it maybe black or another color, but I actually love the way it looks now. As far as the curtain rod is from Amazon. I think it's from Amazon DE. When we were in Germany, that was a headache doing it by myself, but I'm so proud of myself. The curtains are from TJ Maxx, and I want to say they're 37 or either 39 by 96. As you can see, they do not hit the floor. They kind of just brush on the trim, but that's all good. I would like to get some more curtains just to fill them up a little bit more, but they look nice this way. And then get some more curtain rings because I ran out. And for the curtain rings, they actually have the curtain rings where you do not have to remove the entire pole to put them on. So I will probably get those in the future. But that is everything today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope that it gave you inspiration to decorate your space. And I will see y'all back on my next video. Whether you're watching in the morning, the afternoon, or the evening, I hope you have a good one. Bye, y'all.
Say opposite, supposed to attract, but we both can tell it feels off and should let it go, but somehow we're folding it.